Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your microphone is enabled and the network is stable. Once done, open Jupyter and sign into the account that has voice access. You should enable voice features in settings right away and pick your language and a voice model. Then run a short mic test phrase so the system learns levels. Doing this prevents later recognition errors and lets you move immediately to building commands and flows without interrupting setup later. Next, you create the commands Jupyter will respond to by defining clear intents and several sample utterances for each one. Make sure you map those intents to the exact actions, scripts, API calls, or UI controls that should run. Once mapped, train the voice model and immediately run test sessions with natural phrases. Listen for misrecognitions and adjust utterances or confidence thresholds. If recognition drifts, add more varied samples and retune the action mappings so the assistant behaves predictably in real use. Finally, deploy your voice assistant to live mode or the target environment and verify that permissions and endpoints are correct. Once live, monitor logs and user feedback to catch misfires and unexpected triggers. Use that data to refine utterances and adjust confidence thresholds. If something goes wrong, a fast fix is to recalibrate microphone sensitivity and rerun training for the specific intents that fail, because poor audio input is the most common cause of errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.